UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon called upon Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar at the new Environment Ministry building in New Delhi. UN Secretary General asked India to take a leadership role in reaching meaningful climate change pact during the conference to be held in Paris from November 30 to December 11 later this year.
I expect, as one of the most critically important member states of the United Nations and one of the fastest growing economies, India should lead this campaign to address climate change so that we will be able to have universal and meaningful climate change agreement in Paris in December. This is a moral and political responsibility.
Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar expressed his happiness to have the UN Secretary General at the new building. The minister said he was looking forward to this day ever since his visit to Lima, when he had invited Ban Ki-moon to have a look at the building.
We'll showcase him the green building from where we give the green message. This is the building which is energy positive. Whatever we consume, we produce, and we consume half of what the usual buildings would have consumed, water or electricity. And that's the biggest thing. So we'll show, and this is basically a goodwill visit, because when I was in Lima, I invited him, when you are coming for Vibrant Gujarat, you are coming to Delhi, please visit us at least for some time. So he has come. I am very indebted to him and very happy that he is here. I welcome him.
Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar showed the UN Secretary General the new green building and showcased its salient features. The new Environment Ministry building is focused on increasing efficiency of energy, water and materials, while minimizing the impact of the building on human habitat and environment.